I'm back again, family. This time I'm over here where my potatoes, my sweet potatoes are coming up. These are purple potatoes. And as you can see, there was a flower here yesterday and today it's all gone. Yeah, there's a purple flower. And this one came off. Okay. So that's something here that's going on. Okay. So I'm taking a walk today in the garden. Just checking out what's going on. As you can see, I'm going to head on to my pumpkin that just popped up here from compost. And I hope I'll get pumpkins and I could take you on that journey if there's any pumpkin. Okay, I'm just checking out what's going on here. Over there my son is digging today a hole so I can put my mango tree from the pot to the ground. So here we are, we're digging. Over here we have poor soil, so we're adding sand into the hole, some of my compost, and as we go along I'll take you back over there. Let me walk through until we're ready to do that. Just checking on my mangoes already in the ground, this one. And here's some tomatoes coming up. They're getting better, bigger. Okay. This is my papaya already in the ground. And my naseberry is over there. Here's my naseberry. This has been in the pot for about over a year. Thought I lost it during the cold season. So all of this is new growth. Every leaf here is new. The cold did it so bad it was all orange color, and then those fell off, and this is all new. Thank God for the sun that he gave us. So that's restoration, family. Okay, here's my Barbados cherry that I thought I didn't have anything on it the other day, but I believe there's something here hidden. I did see cherries, baby ones. I don't know, today I can't see them. I have to walk around here. Seemed like the rain washed those off too. Anyways, I'll just give it some food. One of my creative food that I made for my plants. Okay, let me get back to where my son is digging the hole. And as I go along, you come along. So we're here. We're gonna add some more, that's the compost. And we're gonna add some sand. It's already composed in there, as you can see. This is the mango tree that's going in from the pot to the ground. Here's the compost going in. Okay. And we're gonna pour some sand. Yes. Yeah, because we have poor soil here. Yeah. So he's gonna stir it up with the shovel. Mix it all in before we put this tree in there.